Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this mini bag with drawstring. Let's get started. Handles. Fold twice inward, press it, make it really crisp, and stitch. Drawstring fabric. Put the wrong side together and make stitch on the edge go around. Make sure wrong side together. Now, back part. This is inside fabric. Put the right side two together and half-inch seam allowance. Make stitch except top part. And you do exactly same thing for outside fabric. To make the gasset, 1.5 inch from the stitch, draw the square like that and cut the fabric there, same as the inside fabric. Open the seam and press it really well, both sides, and fold it like that and stitch right there, maybe quarter seam. Now turn the work inside out, only for the outside fabric, and put two handles. Measure 2.5 inch from side seam and make a mark. Of course, both side and the other side of the fabric as well. That's the place you put the handle. Make sure it's not twisted and use the pin to secure. Also, the handle goes downward. Maybe 1/8 seam allowance. Drawstring fabric. Stitch both sides, not top, not down, but the side 3.5 inch from top you will not stitch, only the down part. Just like that. Then fold twice like that and make stitch on the edge, both sides. Also one more stitch at the end of the opening. After you done side part, you will make tube on top. Fold ½ inch, then 1 inch again. So 2 times. ½ inch and 1 inch. Make a tube. That's where the strings go. And make stitch. Now go back the back part, both inside out, wrong side out, and put the two gasset together. One is outside gasset and the other one is inside gasset. Make sure both wrong side out and sew them together. And now turn the work. Outside fabric is outside and inside fabric is inside, and both handle are outside. Make sure it's tight and neat, and also you have to make sure about the alignment. After this, you put the drawstring fabric right side together, but top part goes down. Right side together. Make sure alignment is good. There we go. And sew around, maybe ½ inch seam allowance. Okay, now the raw edge is showing and you can actually cut a little bit. Then flip the drawstring fabric and put them inside like that. And you will make 2 top stitch. One is on the edge and the other one is kind of sandwich the raw edge. Then whenever you turn the drawstring fabric, you won't see the raw edge. So you have to kind of grab the raw edge, then make 2 stitches. There we go. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So whenever you flip, you won't see the raw edge. After this, you put the string into the tube. Then that's about it. Enjoy!